Hey there, today we are going to create this ball animation in DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing we are going to do is creating a fusion composition. So let's come to the edit page, come to the media pool, right click and select this new fusion composition and create it. After this, drag this fusion composition in your timeline and head to fusion page. Now select a background node, connect it to media out and also make the alpha 0. And now I will select this media pool and I will drag this ball PNG which I have made in Fusion. If someone who doesn't know that how we can make this ball, by the way, I'm talking about this, how we can create this. So I'm going to show you guys that how I made it. But if someone who knows how we can make this, then they can skip this topic. So I will add a background node and I will again add a background node and I will connect this to my background too. And I will view this merge node in my second viewer. And now I will select this background and I will connect an ellipse mask and I will come to background 2. I will decrease its alpha. And now I will select this ellipse and I will make it small. It totally depends on you guys that how much size do you want. And after this, I will make sure that my ellipse is selected and I will select this B-spline and I will add it. And after this, I'll come to my screen and I will basically draw this. Yeah, this is perfect. Now you will uncheck solid and you will bring the border width up and you will come to paint mode and you will select this subtract option. So now if you see that lines which we have made is subtracted from the ball, and if you increase the border width, so you can see that it's affecting our ball. And after this you can also change its rotation. So yes, you can come to Z rotation and you can make it like this, and means whatever you want you can do. Okay, so now you will come to background and you can give any color you want, but I will make it a gradient. So I will come to type, I will make it a gradient, and the color which I like the most is red and purple. So one I will make red and the another I will make it purple, right? And after this you made and you can adjust these points. So whatever you like, you can do that. And this is how I made this ball. So I'm deleting this part. Okay. So actually I forgot to tell you guys that we are going to keep the alpha as it is, and we will change the color to whatever we want. A light color. Yes, a light color would be good. And we will view this media out in our second viewer. And on this background, we will connect a rectangle mask and we will come to this center Y and make it 0.25, or even we can take it low to around 0.2. Yes, make it like this much, or it's totally up to you how you can make. And take this weight towards right, make it 1, and also give a soft edge a little bit. And now add this PNG. Perfect. Now we will decrease its size, so we will add a transform node and we will decrease its size and make sure that it looks that it's aligned with our rectangle. Yes, perfect. After this we will again add a transform node. So now you see that this transform node shows that this part is the center of the ball. Perfect. Now what we need to do is we will come to center, we will right click here, we will come to modify with, and we will select this XY path. And then we will come to this modifier option and we will click on this diamonds to disable the keyframes for now. We will come to this Y and we will right click here. We will select this modify with and we will select the animate curves. Perfect. So now if you see, it's all messed up, but no worries. We will come to this curve shape. In this curve, we will select easing and we will come here, which is none, and we will select bounce. So now if you see, it's happening in the opposite direction, so we'll check this invert option. And also it's going below our offset, so we will make it 0.5, which is our offset. So now if you see, yes, this is how it's bouncing. Perfect. And also for the x1, come here to the transform xy path, come here to the x, right click, same process, select this anime curves, and now what you want to do is just increase the scale, and done. Perfect. But according to physics, your ball should be rotating, so come to this transform 1, or you can do it with the transform 2. It's not necessary that you use transform 1, but I am using it. You will come to angle, you will right click here, modify with anime curves. Perfect. So now if you see, it's rotating anti-clockwise, but we don't want it anti-clockwise, so we will come to modifiers, and here on the scale we'll simply add a negative sign, so it will become clockwise. Perfect. And now you will select this transform node, you will, oh sorry, you will come to settings, you will enable motion blur, and you will increase the quality, increase the shutter angle. Similarly, you will do the same thing with the transform 2. We'll come to settings, enable the motion blur, increase the quality, increase the shutter angle, and after this come to your edit page, and come to playback option, and in the render cache make it smart. So now you see that this red line, when it becomes blue, it's totally rendered, right? So let's wait for rendering. Perfect. So guys, this was the animation. As I said, we are going to make it without any keyframes. So yeah, we did not use any keyframes, we used modifiers. If you want a masterclass related to modifiers, then you can comment down below. I will make a video on it.